Hi, I'm Lena, and I'm so relieved that I purchased insurance for my ring because about 4 months after I was engaged, I was in a car wreck that left my ring damaged and the center stone chipped. I was able to start that claim process online. Just like the policy process, it was quick and easy. The very next day, Christine from BriteCo called me directly, and she explained the easy steps in my repair claim process. I really love that they have one person assigned to your claim. That way I was dealing with Christine throughout, and she always kept me updated and checked in with me.
Jewelry claims can be really hard. It's a stressful time for people. So there's times when you initially call someone and you can just hear the stress in their voice, and just when you walk them through what we're gonna do, the process, how we're gonna work it out, we're gonna be with them every step of the way, you can just feel the tension just kind of leaving, and even in the phone call. I know you guys both do a lot of those phone calls. Doesn't that feel good when you feel that person just relaxing?
It meant a lot to me how kind and sympathetic they were towards my situation, and how they went truly above and beyond to make me feel whole again after I lost my ring. And so they even went so far as to connect me with the designer, who also did a great job. So overall, they were great to work with, and Christine stayed connected with me throughout the entire process, let me know what to expect, and let me ask any questions. She was there for me, so you truly felt cared for as a client.
Well, we start off by giving them a call, and then we go over what the expectations are. So we let them know that their adjuster will be reaching out within a couple of days, and then walk them through the rest of the process having to do with their jeweler. They get to work with a jeweler of their choice, whoever they're comfortable with, and then we get to work on making them whole again.
I encourage everyone, if you have something as beautiful to your heart as I do, you definitely want to get insurance on it. And BriteCo took care of me. They were there all the way down until the day my husband surprised me and proposed to me again. And he gave me my ring back. And I can't thank BriteCo enough. You have no idea.
One of the things that I think we always keep in mind when we're handling claims is people really don't care how much we know until they know how much we care about them. Don't you agree?
I agree. I can talk about being a gemologist, about how many years of claims experience everyone here has. They're not going to care about that until they know that we have their best interest at heart.
Exactly.
Right.
Exactly.
Yeah. And just know that the BriteCo Claims Team is here to help.
Always.